Previously on Sweet Angel TV, I shared with you all my mandelic acid nighttime skincare routine. If you have not already seen that video, go back and check it out, and you'll be glad you did. Now let's get right into Wednesday's skincare routine. Hello, beautiful babes. Welcome back to the channel. This is my Wednesday skincare routine, which means we are focusing on barrier repair, hydration, soothing the skin, and helping mature skin recover gently after exfoliation nights. This is one of my favorite skincare days because mature skin needs recovery just as much as it needs treatments. So welcome to the AM, baby. We are starting with the morning routine and a gentle cleanser. Of course, this morning I'm starting with a gentle cleanser to cleanse my skin without stripping away moisture. All of the products I'm using in my skincare routine will be listed in the description box for your convenience, beautiful babes. You know I don't mind sharing. I don't do no gatekeeping over here. Now listen, mature skin needs cleansing that feels soft, nourishing, and hydrating. I have fallen in love all over again with the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleansers. I love them, so you will see them throughout my skincare routines. Remember that. Make a note of that, okay? Hey, then we go into hydrating. I love applying a hydrating toner. This adds moisture. If you hear the thunder and lightning, babes, it is raining in Memphis like cats and dogs, whatever that means. Okay, it's loud outside. So, as I was saying, I'm using a hydrating toner to add moisture back into my skin and prep it for my serums. Hydration is everything for mature skin. Know that. Now in step number 3, it's niacinamide time. Niacinamide is one of my favorite ingredients because it may help support the skin barrier, improve hydration, calm redness, smooth the appearance of skin, and it pairs beautifully with most skincare routines. Yes, darling. We're already at step number 4, which is the moisturizer. I'm sealing everything with moisturizer to help keep my skin soft, smooth, and comfortable throughout the day. And I follow that with the final step in the skincare routine, which is an SPF. Of course, SPF is non-negotiable. Protecting mature skin daily is one of the best things we can do for healthy looking skin at any age, honey. And now my dogs want to bark. Of course, it's waking up time, it's morning time. This is what we do. As I was saying, SPF and protecting mature skin daily is one of the best things we can do for healthy looking skin over, I was about to say 50 or 60, 70 or 80, but honey, any age, it does not matter, okay? And thank y'all for watching my morning skincare routine, babes. We're going to skip over the entire day and jump into the Wednesday night routine. Now it's time for my nighttime barrier repair routine. Tonight is all about calming, soothing, hydrating, and supporting my skin barrier after Tuesday night's exfoliation night on yesterday. as always, we're going to cleanse the skin. If I wore makeup, I'm removing that, the sunscreens, oils, and any buildup from the day. Now let's talk about the fact that y'all know I'm a DIY girl. If you catch me over on Beauty by Sweet Angel, you already know that I created a barrier repair face mask. I use my DIYs alongside of my products because that's normal for me. And I really never brought it to the surface. And now I get a lot of questions on what do you do as far as other skincare. So these two channels are running side by side as partners. I do DIYs, but yes, I do my products along with that. Okay, so you will be seeing some of the ingredients over here, not me fully mixing them or explaining in detail about them, but I will be going into what I've done prior to applying my products. So tonight was the night where I did my simple DIY barrier repair face mask. All it is a tablespoon of yogurt, a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and a few drops of rosehip oil. Now, what this does, it may help temporarily soothe, hydrate, and comfort dry, mature skin. And I'm applying the mask evenly all over my face, all over my skin, and I let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes while I relax. And after I rinse that off, I go right into my red light therapy. Yes, after I cleansed my face earlier, I removed the face mask. Red light therapy is amazing for this particular night because it may help calm inflammation, support collagen production, reduce redness, improve skin recovery, and help mature skin look healthier and more radiant. I do red light therapy at night, and I especially love using LED light therapy on my barrier repair nights, my recovery nights, my hydration nights. Nighttime is just perfect because the skin is relaxed and it's ready for recovery. So we did the mask, and then we move on into what I can call right now step 2, because all of that had a lot to do with the cleansing and the mask, and we're just going to keep that all categorized together. Now step 2, I'm using a hydrating mist after the LED therapy, and this helps to bring moisture back into the skin. And then we go into step 3 of the nighttime routine, which is the peptide or soothing serum. I go in with my peptide or a soothing serum to help support my skin barrier and mature skin recovery. And I know it may seem like a lot of steps, but it's really not. Once you get used to it, you know exactly what your skin will need. And not everything works for everybody. So if you don't feel the need for some of these things, please leave them out and just keep it conducive to what you feel is best for you. Again, step 4 is a hydrating serum that I apply to help my skin feel softer, plumper, and deeply moisturized. Once I do that, I move into step 5, which is just using a thick moisturizer. I'm sealing in everything with a thick moisturizer because mature skin loves hydration and it loves barrier support overnight. Again, all of the products will be listed in the description box. I do share links, which are my affiliate links for the most part for most of the items. If it's not an affiliate link, it is still something that I've used on a regular, and I feel comfortable sharing those products with you all. So beautiful babes, that is my Wednesday barrier repair skincare routine for mature skin. Sometimes the best thing we can do for mature skin is slow down, hydrate, repair, and nourish the skin barrier. I'm really big into taking care of my skin barrier because, you know, there was a time when I accidentally went too far, and now it's about restoring all of that, and that is what I'm sharing with you now, just getting a little bit more technical with the skincare routines so that you'll know exactly behind the scenes what is going on and how I'm maintaining my skin. Listen, babes, if you enjoyed today's skincare routine, please don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and do Also, turn on your notifications so you never miss future beauty, skincare, self-care, and lifestyle videos here on Sweet Angel TV. And check this out. I would love to know from you. Leave a comment down below. Have you ever tried red LED light therapy for your skin? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments, please. Hey, I love you, beautiful babes, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.